Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be doing a spiritual vlog about there is someone that loves you, and God loves you, I love you, and no matter who you are, no matter what you're going through, just know that there's God who loves you. And on that note, I'm just disclaimer, we will be talking about religion and God and everything, so if you're not okay with that, hit the little X button right now, because that's what this video is about. So yeah, so let's just go ahead. So I'm going to be sharing you 2 verses today from the Bible, and I will be talking briefly about, okay, so for the first one, this one's the longer one, I guess. It's Samuel 16:7. But the Lord said to Samuel, "Do not look at his appearance or at his height stature, because I have rejected him. For God sees not as man sees. For man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart." Okay, so, like, it says, do not look at his appearance or his height of his stature. So talking about his appearance, I know, like, today we are so judgmental. Like, whether you used to be or you are, you have made, or most likely you've made a comment about someone that wasn't the nicest, you know, just on their appearance. You had never met them before. For God sees not as man sees. So talking about that, he's looking at you, not your outside you. When you go to school, you're all pretty and everything. He's looking at you. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just say, for instance, that there is a new girl at school, and you hear someone say, "Oh, that girl's so ugly. I bet she's such," and you stand up, is what I'm, like, you should stand up to them and be like, you don't know her. You know, like, everyone is different. Like, there is, this sounds so cheesy, but there's only one says you. But the Lord looks at the heart. Whether you are the most beautiful, gorgeous girl on the earth, or you could be just the average plain Jane, not care what you look like kind of girl, and he will love you just the same. It doesn't matter what your appearance is or anything. Appearance is only just something on the outside. What's inside is what counts. Your emotions, your heart shouldn't matter to you. And I understand that, yes, you want to look good because that gives you confidence. And if that gives you confidence, then you feel better on the inside. I totally get that. I love doing my hair and doing my makeup. Otherwise I wouldn't have this channel, and I love that, and it makes me feel good inside, and that builds my confidence. I know what I'm trying to say. But if you go around strutting like, oh, I'm so pretty and I'm so blah 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 or whatever, that's when people are going to be like, I guess, like, whoa, all that rambling, I don't know. But what I'm trying to get across is that God doesn't look at your appearance. He looks at what's on the inside. Not like your intestines and stuff, your heart. He looks at your heart, and just that's what he bases it off of. Okay, now that I've rambled about, oh, it's been 10 minutes, so I'll probably have to cut a lot of that down. 10 minutes on that one thing. I will talk about my next one, which is a very short one. It is Genesis 1:31, and what he created. Okay, and this is the actual verse. And God saw all that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And there was evening, and there was a morning, the 6th day. So talking about creating the earth. But basically the main point of it is God saw beauty in what he created. He created you. God made everyone on this planet. He created you. And you should accept the way that you are, because God made you and you're different than anyone else. And don't let people tell you that you're ugly or that you don't matter, and let them push you around. You can't let them do that, because, like, this is like my favorite thing that my pastor has ever said, and it is, a lie believed as truth has the power to control your life. And what that basically means is that if someone tells you something and you, like, if someone tells you you're ugly, and you really, and so many people have told you that, and you really begin to think, oh, well, maybe I am ugly, that's when it completely changes. beauty in what he created. Like, you are beautiful, and I'm here to tell you right now, but there's someone out there that needs to hear that you're beautiful and that you matter, and that you can't let people tell you otherwise, and that God created you and you are perfect. And then it says, and behold, it was very good. You are very good. You are just, I can't explain this well, just bear with me. So the last little topic I want to talk to you about, because this is 15 minutes, is that as you get older and mature, you will realize that that stuff does an array of things, but it all leads back to beauty, which I have a beauty channel. So, concluding our little topic today, I just want to tell you I love you guys and that you're beautiful no matter what. And and if you've stayed here the whole time, kudos to you. Big thumbs up. Yes. So yes, I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to. If you want to see more of these spiritual videos, then let me know by either clicking the like button or leaving a comment down below. And oh yeah, and request. I would really love if y'all sent me requests, because I don't know what to do. I don't know what you want to see, so I would like something to do that you want to see. Yes. Okay. And goodbye. Thanks for watching.